top 10 insurance companies by the matrix. We can scroll curated by the Paul Helmick. I'm a technology CEO and experienced entrepreneur. Love helping people use technology to grow their business. Here are several helpful breakdown by Investopedia by insurance industry category. We can scroll this non-health insurance company. You can see this company name and market civilization. Berkshire Hathaway 308 billion, and you can see and you can read on health insurance and manage healthcare companies. We can scroll this and you can see and you can read this health insurance company, another life insurance company, another that health insurance and managed company. You can see and you can see that if you read this, that company net premiums written, two option company, another option net premiums written, State Farm Group and All State Insurance Group and Liberty Mutual 30 billion, and we can see on Travelers Group 200 billion, American International 19 billion, Group ALG. You can see Progressive Insurance Group, Farmers Insurance Group 40 billion, and you can see again that life insurance companies company total direct of premium market share. You can see read and you can run that MetLife and 11 billion and market share 7%, and New York Life 7 billion and market share 55 billion 5%. You can see this and you can read on State Farm 4 billion and share 2%. And you can see if we scroll this, that we can see health insurance company and total direct premium market share. There are three options. We can read three options, and if you want to read there is read United Healthcare. If you want to make any video, you can more and more you can practice. United Healthcare 60 billion and WellPoint Group 50 billion and Kaiser Permanent 40 billion and market share 70%. Humana Ham 21 billion and another. If you want a source niche caveat and the sales data on health insurance companies is found the last year of available data. The Affordable Care Act Obamacare may have altered it. You can see if you want to read this Get Fire weekly updates, stay sharp. It's a privilege to advise CEO and their leadership teams on their digital transformation strategy. Subscribe to a free weekly image and digest of this digital insist. It goes out each Saturday morning to thousands and CEOs and executive. Just a weekly recap of the article headline, highlights, and a link to the story. Spam. First name, you can see first name and last name and email. This man who go for this company. If you, this company is very activeful, this company is very cheerful, this company is very excellent. If you want to make any video, he give you money, and he give you, he paid you money, and etc. Just firstly you can see and read.